Yo, what up, Snapchat? Today we're filming our much anticipated McDonald's cake sequel. We're gonna use this Subway here. Yeah, that's pretty good. And we're gonna make a cake with it. So everyone stay tuned. So now we're gonna use this. Here's our cake mix. We're just gonna pour that right in there. keep So we got this. Yeah, now we need 2 eggs.
It's not possible.
There's 1 egg. Get a good close-up. Every good chef uses his hands, so that way you can taste the food. Oh, but wait, we forgot the milk. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna. Oh no! While he's doing that, I'm gonna show you what we've got in store for the main part of this extravaganza. Oh, have you noticed how many flies are around here right now? So now we've dealt with him. Got this. Let's just pop that to one side for a second while we prepare the main. We're carrying on. Mr. Cameraman. Oh no! Cameraman, mix our Subway. Oh! Ow! Give it here. So that's how you mix a Subway. We don't want a dirty cake.
Oh, yeah.
Sous chef, bring me my bowl. Oh yeah. I don't think we mixed this enough. No, calm down. So we're gonna squeeze that out a bit. Me and old sous chef. I wanna taste test it. Dab at it. Yeah. No, don't put the chef in there. We only have a chef here to guide us. We need to be guided on our journey with the chef. You didn't mix this well enough, cameraman. What's wrong with you? Anything else So while he's still going at that, we're gonna have a good grease. If you throw away food that you just think is a bit dirty, what is wrong with you? Grease well. That's what they say in Greece. So look, do you say it would? Camera guy, would you say that's greased enough? We have a silent protagonist. If it's not greased enough, yeah, that's greased. Is that even gonna become a cake? Oh no, that's way better.
Is it the right consistency, chef?
Get some of the bigger bits. I'm trying to keep that down. Let me get a chef off set. Oh, let's get a zoom in on this. That's right, home chefs. If you're watching this to make your own, it tastes good. That is right. I think we have our finished product. Oh,
That's so fun.
oh, it's got bits of chili and everything in it.
Oh, yeah.
End of filming. We're gonna go cook this. So lumpy. Oh God. Give it a good sniff, sous chef. Kind of smells like McDonald's cake. Cameraman, would you like to give this a sniff? Very good. So, how are we gonna dice up this? Sounds good. How much of this do you want?
Not a lot.
Is that rumble?
Go on, you go first, chef.
Oh, that's a bit of meatball. Bon appetit. Listen. Here's what I think. I'm about to tell you all what I think in a very nice... I'm going to tell you what I think in a very nice, very concise way. Lovely.
I think that's enough.
So we blew this cake up. Now we're going to give it a proper send-off of the kings. A true send-off of the kings. You're up Snapchat. It's piss in a bag on a tree. Look at that. That's cool.